long time since I've seen somebody mend a puncture. Since I was a kid, never done one myself, but Thomas has got a puncture. Took mine to the shop last time. I think now we're added bikers, it's time to attempt to change time cell. So I'm going to try and get in a tube out. So we'll see what happens in the next 5-10 minutes. So it took me about just over 5 minutes to figure out how to do this, get this off. And now what I've got to do is identify where it all is or the problem so I can fix it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I think I'm going to do it a wipe down and see where I can find it all. Right, I couldn't find the puncture just by looking, so I filled the bucket up. I've actually found a really small tiny hole here. I've had to put it in the bucket and you can see air bubbles coming out. So that's where my puncture is. So I've just got to not to lose it now. I'm going to dry the inner tube off and I'm going to apply some glue, let it go tacky a bit before I put it on, and I'm just hoping there's no more punctures. That's it. Puncture kit. Got glue. There's little puncture things. We've got to rough it up a bit with this. Apply some glue and let it dry a bit till it goes tacky, and then we apply one of these little repair patches. You have to put the glue on the inner tube and then put the patch over top. So, and then hopefully when it's dry we can do a blow up before we put it back in ink tight. Hopefully Thomas has only just got one puncture. So here goes, I'm applying some glue. Onto it, and we're to just let that go tacky before I apply the repair kit. Hopefully this works. I'm going to put it on. Just got to leave it to go tacky. And I can just still see where the hole is visibly like that. So I'm just going to leave it a couple more minutes. Right, I think I'm going to place it on there. Right, I'm just going to hold it on just to make sure it sticks. I think I'm going to let this air out at time. Right, I've got the patch glued on. I'm just giving it a chance now just to set before I put inner tube back on. I'll give it about 10 minutes because I don't exactly know how long you have to get it, but if I get it 10 minutes, just the glue, I can see glue drying. then I'll try and get it back in the tyre. You can see I've got it out, and I'll let you know an update when I get it back on the tyre. Okay then. Right, so I think this is actually ready now to be fed back into tied up bike. So I'm gonna feed it back into the tyre and then pump it up, and I'll give you an update on how that goes in a minute. Alright then. Right, I've fed all the inner tube back in, and now I'm going to spot the tyre back into the ridge of the wheel trim. I don't know what to call it, no, they call them trims on car. And then I shall fully inflate tyre and see how it goes. And voila, that's it. We'll see if it stops inflated well tomorrow, but quite pleased with myself, first time I've done it. Save myself a bit of rest there. Okay, if I can do it, anybody can. Okay, bye. This kit is what I mended my puncture with on my bike, and it's from the pound shop, so you've no need to go out and buy a really expensive one. If you live in America, you should be able to get it from the dollar shop, Dollar Tree. It's got everything you need in it. 5 repair patches, glue, levers to get your inner tube out of the tyre, Allen keys, valve caps. And it's even got some chalk in it, so it's got everything you need. And it's worked with punctures fixed, and I've checked it and it's stocked up, so it's well worth investing for £1 to even get a few, so you've got them in the house. So thumbs up to the pound shop. Right, thanks guys for watching. Thank you.